Turntables are not a piece of nostalgia, no sir! These things are still the ultimate way to enjoy music, the top choice for audiophiles, the ultimate immersion. And you don't have to be this seasoned audiophile to enjoy a high-quality turntable. The market has plenty of options for everyone, and even some of the budget picks these days are loaded with seemingly advanced features like Bluetooth connectivity or USB ports. Before we start, make sure to use our links from the description box. These will take you straight to the latest discount for every product we talk about. Let's get going now. Number 6. Sony PS-LX310BT, top value pick. We'll get the show on the road with this model from Sony, and it's the king of the high-value domain. The device offers full Bluetooth connectivity, meaning no bulky wired setups. Just plug in your turntable and the speakers and you're all set. And yes, this also includes wireless headphones or even a soundbar. That means you're covered, no matter if you're having friends over or doing some solo relaxation. Then there's the one-step auto playback feature. This might seem small, but it's actually a pretty big deal in our book. It means that just a single press of a button gets the tone arm to lower itself, find the groove, and then start playing. No fumbling is required here. And when the record's done, the device will return the tone arm automatically. That's convenient, but also great for beginners and those of us who forget to lift the arm every once in a while. And speaking of convenience, there's the gain select switch that lets you adjust the audio level with just 3 simple settings. So no matter if your vinyl is brand new or an old find from a thrift shop, you'll get that clear, distortion-free sound we all want, and at any volume. Yes, even some of the pricier turntables out there don't offer this, in case you're wondering. And for the digital age, there's the USB ripping feature that lets you convert your vinyl into digital files. In terms of durability, we're looking at a solid aluminum platter for stable playback. The design is clean, sleek, and easy to maintain. For the listed price, you just can't beat this one, guys. Number 5. Angel's Horn AT-3600L. Best for included speakers and preamp. If you want to grab it all and include a pair of speakers with your turntable, the AT-3600L model from Angel's Horn is where it's at. The package includes a pair of bookshelf-style speakers. Now, these are also optimized for vinyl records and the full sonic attack they deliver. And this means all genres – jazz, rock, you name it. And if you want to listen to other content like podcasts or audiobooks, these puppies will adapt. The built-in phono preamp is also solid. This means no extra equipment is needed to power the speakers. No stereo system hookup, nothing. The preamp will simply boost the record's signal to a level your speakers can handle and keep the setup simple and effective. You also have the option to connect to an external audio system through RCA outputs, of course, and use the onboard speakers elsewhere. Bluetooth is also included in the mix, so you can pair your phone or tablet and just stream your digital playlists through the turntable speakers. That's just very flexible. If you want a variety of sources for your audio without switching devices, this package delivers. And we just love the mix of analog and modern here, all with the cool vintage finish. Speaking of which, the package is compact and fits comfortably into just about any living room or office. You also get the Audio-Technica AT-3600 cartridge as part of the mix, known for top-level clarity and detail. A fine choice for vinyl fans of all types. Number 4. Fluance RT81, excellent analog model. If you're an analog type of music fan, check out the RT81 turntable from Fluance. This thing is all about delivering that pure, uncompressed sound. You'll get a belt-driven system here. That means the motor is isolated from the platter, and that will reduce noise. You get a cleaner and more authentic listening experience that feels more like it came straight out of a recording studio. And that's awesome. The package also comes with the Audio-Technica AT-95E cartridge. It has a diamond-tipped elliptical stylus that will gently track your record grooves. It picks up all the little details in your records like the warmth of a guitar strum or the clarity of a vocal run. And it won't be adding any distortion ever. Your standard spherical styluses usually fail compared to advanced tech like this. Also, the tracking force here is just 2 grams, so the turntable is gentle on your vinyl and it will preserve your precious collection. The turntable features an S-type tone arm that has an adjustable counterweight and anti-skating system. This way, the stylus will glide smoothly across your record. It will prevent skips and scratches. That's the whole point. Many entry-level turntables don't come near to this level of precision, just so you know. There's also the MDF wood plinth with a walnut finish. It looks so classy, but it also absorbs vibrations. No unwanted hums or feedback here, guys. When paired with the isolation feet and aluminum platter, you'll get yourself a setup that keeps the sound clean and focused. Number 3. Audio-Technica AT-LP120XUSB BK. Most versatile option. If you want a versatile turntable, allow us to show you this model from Audio-Technica. First of all, the onboard direct drive motor is a great example of versatility. Now, belt-driven models can feel sluggish over time, but this system will give you consistent, pretty much immediate startup. It even lets you dabble in DJing, or you can just enjoy the reliable, steady playback. The device handles all 3 record speeds, meaning 33, 45, and even 78 RPM. It mixes USB and analog connections too. So if you want to transition your vinyl collection to a digital format, just use the USB output and mix it with free tools like Audacity on your computer. On the flip side, the turntable has a built-in phono preamp, and that means you can directly connect it to pretty much any stereo system, even if that system doesn't have a dedicated phono input. That's flexible and not that common on the market right now. Moving on, Audio-Technica also included anti-skate control here to keep your records in safe hands. This tech simply adjusts the tone arm so it stays balanced across the groove. No unnecessary wear, and both your records and the turntable will go through less wear and tear. The AT-VM95E cartridge is known for excellent sound quality, so you're really getting a great deal here. Also included in the mix are intuitive pitch controls and the strobe indicator that lets you fine-tune playback speed. Nice one! Number 2. Pro-Ject Debut Evo 2. Best for audiophiles. Let's get a bit more serious now with the new Pro-Ject Debut Evo 2. Everything an audiophile could ask for in a turntable. The built-in Pickett Evo cartridge was co-developed with Ortofon, an industry leader. Now, this is not just any needle. It was designed to deliver every detail hidden in your records, and it delivers. The flat frequency response is exceptional, and it's a feature typically found in more expensive moving coil cartridges. It simply keeps the sound natural and balanced. So whether you're listening to a blues classic or a dynamic orchestral recording, you will get none of that unnecessary coloration. Now, the carbon tone arm is where things really get exciting in our book. This thing is both stiff and lightweight to deliver top-tier precision. It's like a race car being able to maneuver every turn or every groove on the track. When you look at the more entry-level turntables, they use aluminum arms, which are okay, but they can introduce vibration and muddiness. Carbon fiber, on the other hand, delivers a cleaner, more open sound, so you get a soundstage that feels truly expansive. The way Evo 2 tackles vibration deserves extra praise. All the records sound their best when stabilized, that's obvious. And the Evo 2 truly delivers because it has a die-cast aluminum platter and sophisticated motor suspension. The hefty weight of the platter will keep speeds consistent and minimize vibrations. That's how it works. Then you add in the motor's suspension system that isolates it from the rest of the turntable, and you're left with the purest playback possible. It's that simple. Number 1. Fluance RT81, best overall. And now, the time has come for you to meet the Fluance RT81, the best overall turntable and the clear winner for today. The first thing we had to notice here was the focus on pure analog performance. You're getting a warm, natural sound all the way here. The one that digital formats often lack, yes. There are no electronics altering your audio signal, so you're left hearing the music the way it was recorded, raw and uncompressed. The Ortofon 2M Blue cartridge drives this beast by enhancing sound accuracy. It doesn't matter if you're playing a jazz record with delicate highs or a rock album with punchy bass. It's all good because the cartridge pulls more detail from your vinyl than a standard starter needle. Most turntables use a simpler cartridge than this one and fall short compared to the clarity and depth of every note this model delivers. Then there's the acrylic platter. So these plastic platters, they're not that good. The acrylic model, though, is specially designed to dampen vibrations. This will make your music sound clearer with tighter bass and fuller mids. It's going to be like upgrading from a flat, two-dimensional sound to full 3D delivery. You'll rediscover something new even in records you've listened to hundreds of times, and that says a lot. Also included in the mix are full motor isolation and speed control for extra precision. The variance is just 0.07%, meaning the RT85 keeps your record spinning smoothly. We also have to mention the wood plinth, and not just because it looks gorgeous. It's built to absorb unwanted vibrations too. This thing is a beast, and we can only recommend it. That's all for this one. We hope you learned something new today, and if you did, do drop us a like and subscribe to the channel. Also, tell us in the comments, are you a fan of mellow jazz and lo-fi music, or do you want a turntable to blast your heavy metal collection? Stay safe and enjoy the music, guys!